The entrepreneur defines their skills and enters a prompt into NotebookLM to cross-reference their expertise with current high-growth, underserved market trends. NotebookLM scours sources and generates a comprehensive report validating the chosen niche, detailing customer pain points, and ranking top competitors. Using the research data, the entrepreneur prompts NotebookLM to craft a can't-refuse minimal viable offer (MVO) for the target audience. The key insights, MVO, customer profile, and brand tone, are copied and prepared for the next AI tool. The entrepreneur accesses Firebase Studio and pastes the strategy from NotebookLM into the prompt box, commanding the AI to build a minimal viable pitch website, landing page, based on the MVO. Firebase Studio instantly writes the code and generates a live, hosted prototype website in real time, complete with sections for the offer, testimonials, and a clear call to action, CTA. The entrepreneur reviews the site and, using simple text inputs, instructs Firebase to create a small design tweak for the CTA button, automatically generating version B for A/B testing. The entrepreneur pastes the new website's URL into Pomeli, Google's AI ad generator, which instantly scans the site to extract and confirm the established brand identity and tone of voice. A short prompt is entered to generate a high-impact advertising concept. Pomeli delivers 3 distinct visual and copy concepts for the launch campaign. The chosen concept is approved, and Pomeli automatically creates a suite of graphic ad materials perfectly sized for social media and display networks. Using a visual prompt based on the ad concept, the entrepreneur generates a premium starting image frame for the video ad. The frame is uploaded to Google Flow using VO 3.1, and a detailed prompt is entered describing the desired camera movement, action, and mood, e.g., cinematic dolly zoom, revealing product detail in slow motion, warm, heroic lighting. VO 3.1 processes the prompt, generating a high-quality, professional video ad complete with motion and transitions in minutes. The entrepreneur copies the ad assets and integrates them with the website's A/B tested links, effectively setting up the end-to-end sales funnel. With the research validated, website live, brand defined, and scroll-stopping video ads created, all in less than 24 hours, the entrepreneur launches the business to the market before the 2026 AI shift.